Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this repair. You can see how cracked it is in there, eh? When I JB welded this other plate and then put these bolts in here, and I'll tip it up and show you. Alright, and then there was a long crack along here, so I grinded it out and then JB welded it nice and hard, and then cut this piece out of another one. But the other one wasn't the same, didn't have all the screw holes for the same unit, but it has the same, this piece. So I cut it out, put a whole bunch of JB weld on it, and just sandwiched it on there, let it dry, and now I've drilled these and put these in there just as a backup. So it's nice and fixed. And now I'll put the cushion back on and I'll show you that in a minute. Alrighty. So it's all back together, straps are on, that's nice and fixed, throttle works, it's good to go. Thanks for watching.